Well, when I was putting it together I made a typical beginner's mistake. No matter how hard I tried not to let it happen, I pinched the inner tube and wanted to buy a new one, but today is Sunday. I was doing it yesterday, it was Saturday. They don't open until Monday, so for now, so I can move the bike and check it and everything, I'm putting a patch on the tire. I'm here right now pressing it with the vise and in the meantime, while the patch dries. I don't recommend that you go with a patch, that is, that the first moment you can put a new inner tube, put it on. An inner tube for this bike costs around €9. In other words, they also recommend changing the inner tubes every time you change the tires because, apparently, they also have their wear and tear, their useful life, and they recommend it. At that price, I think it's worth it. Well, another thing I'm going to do while it dries is change the rider's footrest. As you can see, it's crooked and it's quite uncomfortable to change gears. I bought a second-hand one. The pair cost me €20 and they're not bent, they're fine. So to change it, it's very simple. Just loosen these two screws here. Take out the old one and put the new one in. Okay, so in this case, to take out the footrest, I had to remove the bumper on both sides because otherwise it wouldn't come out of the footrest. The bumper is hooked there and you try to take it out from one side, but you don't have to take it out completely because it won't give way and won't come out. Well, there's no more trick to this, just take out the old footrest. Well, not the old one, the old bent one. Let's see if you can see the difference between the bent one and the unbent one. I don't know if you can see it. I don't think you can see it on the video camera, but it's going to be quite uncomfortable. And now all I have to do is put yours in and that's it. That's it. Now I'll put the bumper back in and that's it.